Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this Bible trivia card game. Now this arrives in a really nice little box so you can easily store these cards away, and you've got all the information that you need for the game on the outside of the box. So some information about the question types and the rules for playing are right here on the back. It's super easy to read and understand. And then inside you have the 300 cards. There are 3 different levels to this game. The easy cards will be here in green, medium is in yellow, and hard is red. The box has little partitions here so you can keep everything separated and make it really easy when you come to play the game again. And then there are 6 question types. So within the easy cards, you're going to have true/false questions as well as multiple choice questions. And then for the medium cards, you're going to have ordering questions and fill in the blank questions. And lastly, for the hard cards, you're going to have Bible verse reference and Bible quiz questions. And it's really easy to play. As long as there's 2 or more players, you can do this. You can do it as an individual game. You can set up teams. Everything is broken down on the back, and you'll just simply lay out the cards in order of difficulty and the style question that it is. And each card is going to be worth a different amount of points. And whoever or whichever team gets to 20 points first is the winner. So this is going to be a great card game for Bible study, for church groups, or even just to play with friends and family. And the quality of the cards is absolutely wonderful. They feel thick and durable. The print on them is clear and easy to read. So this is such an awesome option and would even make for a great gift. If you guys were looking for a really great Bible card game, I think you guys would love this. I would definitely give it a try.